Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to all of you. I hope you are fine and safe at your home. This is your second class of science and I'm your science teacher from Ismailia Youth Services. Here are some instructions for you before starting the class. Please follow the instructions. Better use hand-free or headphones so that you can hear my voice clearly. Okay, don't raise hand during the lecture. You can ask your questions at the end in the chat box. Okay, beta? And have a textbook of science and a notebook and pencil with you. Note the questions that you want to ask. Okay, you can ask your question in the chat box. Remember that. And now open your book, unit number 1, our body, page number 2. Okay, beta, I'm repeating myself. Open your book, unit number 1, our body, page number 2. Okay, we have started this unit yesterday and we have already learned about the bones and skeleton and about the muscles. Here is a quick review on yesterday's lesson. What are the bones? Bones are very hard living part of the human body. Okay, all these 206 bones join together to form the skeleton, and this skeleton helps us to stand, to walk, to run, to do different type of activities. In short, this skeleton supports our body. Okay, got it? But these bones don't work alone. Okay, bones, joints, and muscles they work together to form the skeleton and to help us to stand, move, walk, and do different activities. So, inshallah, today we are going to learn about the joint and the foot. Okay. So, have you heard this point? Head, shoulder, knees, and toes. So, what is shoulder? What is knee? Okay, these are the joints. Shoulder, knee, these are the joints. What does the joint mean? Joint means the place where two bones meet. Okay, so you can see here in the picture, they allow us to move, run, and walk. Okay, see at the picture. Okay, beta, these two bones here, one bone is here and the other one is here. These two bones join together to form the joint. The word joint, remember that. When two bones join together is called joint. So the place, the point where two bones meet or join together is called joint. Okay, this is your elbow joint. We can bend our elbow because of the elbow joint. Okay, otherwise we would be like a robot. Okay, got my point? So here are the large joints of the human body. You can see here in the picture, the girl is so cute. Yes. So do it like this. This is your shoulder. Touch your shoulder. Yes. This is your shoulder. Okay, and this is your knee joint. What is this? This is your knee joint. Touch your knee joint and feel it. Okay, look here. This is your joint, the place or the point where two bones meet or join together. Okay, what is this? These are called joints. Okay, here, touch your shoulder joint with your hand. Yes, this is your shoulder joint. And this is your knee joint. Touch your knee joint. Yes, these are your toes. Okay, and toes have these small joints like the fingers. Fingers, you can feel your finger. These are very small bones, and they are also joined together. That means they are small joints. And this is your ankle. Okay, this is your ankle joint, and this is your elbow joint, and these all joints work with the bone and the muscles and helps us to stand and to do activities like in the girl. Okay, I point out all the joints here and you touch your shoulder joint. Okay, beta, I'm giving you the instructions. Touch your shoulder joint here. This is your shoulder joint. This is your elbow joint, and this is your wrist joint. Okay, and here is the hip joint. Here is the knee joint. Here is the ankle joint. Okay, got my point? Where is your shoulder joint? Touch your shoulder. Okay, and where is your knee? Touch your knee. Yes, very good. Okay, what are the functions of the joint? Okay, they help the bones join together. Like here, you can see here in this picture. Okay, the joints helps us to move, to play, to do all the activities. Okay, we are using different joints here. Like this is the shoulder joint, which is moving upward in throwing ball. Okay, and this is your knee joint, which is bending. Okay, because of these joints, we can move our body. Okay, and we can bear weight, we can lift weight because of the elbow joint. Okay, you can sit because of your knee joint. Okay, your knee bends, that's why we can sit. Okay, this is your elbow joint and this is your wrist. Okay, so these are the three main functions of the joints. Okay, they provide the place for the bones to join together, to bear the weight or to lift the weight, and to allow the movement. Okay, so again, beta, join the place where two bones meet. Okay, a point where bones join together, these are called joints. Okay, so here are the functions, and now let's come to the food. Healthy food, beta, what is the healthy food? Can anyone tell me what is the healthy food? Okay, healthy food means eating a variety of foods that helps to maintain your health, you feel good and have energy. Okay, healthy food means eating a variety of food that improves your health. You feel good and you feel energetic. Okay, healthy food makes your muscles and bones strong. Healthy foods includes fruit like orange and all the fruits in fruits, vegetables, and dairy products like milk, yogurt, and egg, even the meat. Meat is also in the healthy food, fish especially. Okay, so these all are the healthy foods. Okay, and this because they contain low fat and high protein, they contain calcium, and calcium makes our bones strong. Okay, do you know that exercise make your body healthy? When do you exercise? Okay, when you do exercise in your daily routine, you feel energetic and happy. Okay, cycling, jogging, running, skipping the rope, all these are the exercises. But you can't do these exercises at your home because these exercises need a large area, like the cycling, like jogging. Okay, you can do these simple exercises at your home, and these simple exercises make your bone strong. Okay, so here is the activity, and do this activity with me. Come on. Okay, say hello to sun. Okay, this pose. Do this pose, beta, as shown in the picture. Say hello to sun. And the second one is pretend to be a tree, like this. And you have to maintain these positions at least for 1 to 2 minutes, and that's that. Okay, or even you can do these exercises at least for 5 minutes. Okay, number three is pretend to be a flying bird. When you do this exercise, you would be like a flying bird. Okay, and the fourth one is pretend to be a falling rain. This one. Okay, and number fifth is pretend to be a planting seed. When you plant a seed, we say like this. Okay, And these are the 5 simple exercises you can do at your home, and they don't need anything, any equipment. Okay, beta? And these simple exercises make your bones, make your body, make your muscles healthy and strong. Okay. So the conclusion of the topic. Conclusion means main points of the topic. Okay. And the meeting point of bones is called joint. Okay. The meeting point of bones is called joint. So where are the joints in this picture? Yes, this is shoulder joint. And what is this? This is elbow joint. Okay, and this is the wrist joint. So the meeting point, you can see here, the girl is bending her elbow here. The girl is bending her elbow because of this joint, because of the elbow joint. Okay, got my point? Yes. So the bones and the muscles and joints work together and helps us to move, run, and do different activities. Okay, all these three, bones, muscles, and joints, they are like a best friends. Okay, they work together. Even they always work together so that we can move and run, jump, lift the weight. Okay, and do all the activities because of all these three, bones, muscles, and joints. Okay, tell me, what is the bone? You can tell me the answer in the chat box. Yes, bones are the hard living part of the human body. And what is the muscle? Muscle is soft living part. Okay, and what are the joints? The place where two bones join together. Got my point? Yes. We need to take calcium rich food to make our bone healthy. As you know that uh, calcium rich food. Okay, beta. You can take milk. Okay, calcium rich food. Okay, we have already shared in the previous slides. Okay, the dairy products, all the dairy products have the calcium. Okay, so calcium rich food is very essential to make our bone healthy. Exercise. Exercise can help us to make our bone strong and muscles strong. Okay, beta? Got my point? So the conclusion of the chapter is here. So this is your evaluation. Can you tell me the answer? A dash is a place where two bones meet, muscle or joint. What would be the answer of this? Joint. Yes, very good. A joint is a place where two bones meet. Okay. Remember the word joint. Joint defines itself. Okay. Where the two bones meet or join is called joint. Okay. Got it? Muscles need dash to become strong. Food or air? Food. Muscles need food to become strong. Yes. Bones move with the help of muscles and dash. Joint or food. Bones. Because you are talking about the bones, bone movement. Bones move with the help of muscles and joint. Yes, joint is the correct answer. Elbow is the example of dash. Muscle or joint. Yes. Elbow is the example of joint. Okay. Elbow is the example of joint. Dash is the healthy food. Cereal or chocolate. Cereal. Cereal is the healthy food. Okay, cereal is the healthy food. Okay, beta, I'm repeating this. A dash is a place where two bones meet. Joint. The answer is joint. Muscles need dash to become strong. Obviously, food. Bones move with the help of muscles and dash. Joint. Very good. Elbow is the example of dash. Joint. Dash is the healthy food. Serious. Okay. Okay, beta, this is your home task. Okay. Take a picture of this. Okay, beta. This is your home task. Okay. You have do this home task in your fair copy, beta. These two questions I have already given you in yesterday's lesson. Okay. Question number one, draw a mind map on a skeleton. Okay. At least 6 points. Beta, you can add about the bone, like how many bones are there. Bone is the hard part, muscle is the soft part, and how many muscles are there? 600, and bones 206 bones. Okay, even you can add the function of the skeleton. Okay, beta, draw a mind map on skeleton at least 6 points. Okay, now question number two, differentiate between endoskeleton and exoskeleton. Any two. Okay, what is endo means? Endo means inside, and skeleton means hard covering. Okay, a framework of bones. That means those animals who have a skeleton inside their body are the examples of endoskeleton. Okay, for example, human beings, dogs, frog, fish, okay, and exoskeleton. Exo means outside. So those animals who have a skeleton outside their body are called exoskeleton. For example, insects like grasshopper. Okay, beta. Question number three. Draw pictures of any two food that helps to keep the bones and muscles strong. Okay, you have to draw any two food. Okay, beta, you have to draw any two food. Draw pictures of any two food. Okay, that helps to keep the bones and muscles strong. Question number four. Write any five importance of exercise. Okay. Question number five is solve the textbook exercise. Okay, page number 4 and 5. And the home task, all these home tasks should be done in your fair copy. What will you do? You will make a title page of unit number 1. Okay, make a title page of unit number 1, our body, then start your homework. Okay, beta, you have to write question number 1, from question number 1 to question number 5 in your fair copy. This is the home task of complete unit number 1. Okay, got it? Take a screenshot and picture of this home task. Done? Okay, beta, this is the pre-reading task. Read the life cycle of frog from unit number 4, page number 16, 17, thoroughly with understanding. Okay, beta? So, read the life cycle of frog from unit number 4, page number 16 and 17 thoroughly with understanding. You don't need to write this in your fair copy, okay? This is just a reading task because we will, inshallah, we will start unit number 4 tomorrow, okay? So, underline the difficult terms of the topic. What will you do? Read the life cycle of frog. Okay, beta, here is a video for you so that you can understand better. Watch this video and enjoy. Okay, Ratan. Now the question answer. Okay. So, teacher, please tell question number 4. Iman, class 2. Okay, Iman. Beta, question number 4. Write any 5 importance of exercise. Beta, you can search it with the Google. Okay, this is your home task. Okay, you have to do this with your own. Okay, now the next. Okay, Beta. I'm giving you a review on this topic. Okay, this is the complete unit number 1, our body. So, what are the human beings? Man, woman, girl, and boy. We all are called as human beings. Okay, and what is this? This is a skeleton. Okay, and a skeleton is made up of bones. There are different bones inside our body. Some bones are long and some bones are short. But all these bones join together to form the skeleton. Okay, and the skeleton is present inside our body. Okay, and bones are very hard and rigid. They can't break easily. An adult skeleton has 206 bones. Okay, we have bones and muscles to help us move. Okay, we have 600 muscles in our body, and how many bones? 206 bones. 600 muscles and 206 bones. Bones are hard and rigid, while the muscles are elastic and soft. That means like a rubber band. We can stretch our muscles, but we can't stretch our bones. Okay, there are 2 types of skeleton: endoskeleton and exo. Endo means inside, so those animals who have skeleton inside their body are the example of endoskeleton, and those animals who have skeleton outside their body are the example of exoskeleton. Okay, skeleton has 2 functions. It supports our body. Okay, it helps us to stand. Okay, and it protects the delicate organ inside our body. It protects our brain, heart, and lungs. Okay, if we don't have a skeleton, our body would be like this, like a drop of water filled tissue sitting on the floor. Okay, feel it. The hard thing in the middle is your bone, and the soft, fleshy part around the bone is called muscle. So, this is the front of your knee joint. Okay, this is hard. That means this is bone, and the back of your leg is very soft. Okay, so this is the muscle. Okay, human body comes in many shapes and sizes, and the skeleton is made up of bones. There are 206 bones in human body, and bones and muscles uh, they all work together to do different activities. Okay, beta. That was the home task of yesterday's lesson. So, what are your questions? Which works then in fair copy? Beta, Tamur, homework should be done in your fair copy. Okay, beta, this is your home task. Let me show you the slide. Wait. Beta, this is your home task of unit number 1. Okay, do this home task in your fair copy. Okay, Tamur. Okay, beta, beta, draw a mind map on the skeleton at least one time. Okay, don't do this again. Okay, question number 1 and question number 2. Okay, this is the yesterday's lesson. These are the home tasks for yesterday's lesson. Okay, beta. Question number 1 and question number 2. If you have any question, you can ask in the chat box. Which chapter title chapter's outline should be right or not? Beta, again I'm repeating, make a title page of unit number 1, our body. Okay, make a title page of unit number 1, our body. Then do this home task from question number 1 to question number 5 in your fair copy of science subject. Okay. This is the okay Amna, this is the home task of complete unit number 1. Okay, take a screenshot and do this home task. Okay, beta, this is the complete home task of unit number 1, our body.